Now we'll go for Virabhadrasana 2. Hands in front, feet apart. This is where, as you turn the right leg out, the knee is bending, but you're bending with that control. You're bending with a directed effort. It's not bending where we collapse. This is where the knee has buckled and I'm losing the balance on that side. We keep that leg turned out. We get the thigh to roll out. And as we bend, it's a taller lift on the side. The back thigh extends. We settle down. And as we stand up, that leg has to feel stronger and taller. So we learn to bend. We learn to straighten the leg with control. Okay? Throughout, check if your leg has a strong, firm feel while bending, strong, firm feel as it straightens. Okay? Usually what happens is, as we bend, everything can go loose, heavy. And as we straighten from there, the thought is just about putting the knee back in place. So you're not pushing the knee back. You're straightening, elongating the leg. Is that clear? Conceptually, the thought, observe that. Have your left leg firm, arm straight to the side. And now, firm grip on the legs. First, what we did for Trikonasana, that intense grip from periphery to the core. And maintaining that grip. With control, you're bending the knee to descend down. So at no point it should feel that, okay, the knee is buckled and you're losing the balance. Firm grip, you're lowering yourself. Firm grip, lifting yourself. Strong, firm grip. Exhale, bend. Arm straight to the side. Strong, firm grip as you lift up. Turn the foot in, feet together. Recover.